Hello guys, Anwings here. I hope you have a nice day. I have a nice day. If I have a nice day, you should have 10 times better than mine. But today I'm actually going to react to a Chinese animated movie. I'm reacting to this because many people on YouTube has gone crazy about it. They say it's one of the best animated animation actually. So I'm really hyped for checking this out, and I hope you are as well, guys. So without further ado, guys, let's just go in. Looks very nice though. 惊蛰，
万物出乎震，震为雷。
In the morning rain,
花雏
see flowers are under purpose down, hidden among the hills. Yeah. Man, this looks actually interesting.
我听见了他的心
I hear the heart beating. Wow.
他葬身红宗，
The
自
purple
藏
particles.
金饭，
Wow, look at those eyes.
日暮穷途。
Oh, she must have some special abilities. Wow, just looks like Sharingan. Am I right, guys? Am I right? I think this is some kind of war between two tribes or something. God, wow. I think this is the main character. Oh my fucking God. Look at that animation. It's Chinese though. I really love this Chinese art. Just look at it, it's so beautiful. Wow. It looks like Kung Fu Panda, am I right?
一切都来得太快了，道具
I think this is the dead pig. Yeah, dead pig died.
不要再做无谓的牺牲了。我
It's
的
more important than
比
anything.
什么都重要。
Man, he looks like just mad as a gun from Hunter. Yeah, he must be in his period. Wow, this fighting seems really amazing too. Holy sh! Man, this is so. Oh fuck! What? Just break his neck. Now that's what you call like good animation. Wow, so beautiful. Oh my God. Just look at it. That animation, I can't really. Wow, that is so amazing. I'm really hyped for this now. Wow. Yeah. Oh my God! You just ripped his arm off. What is this, Avatar or something? And oh my God, shit. Man, this looks so epic. Look, I think it's royal versus some other tribe or something. Oh my God, you just threw them apart. Wow, shit. Man, this is so big. Oh no, it's not done. I'll give it back. What should I give back? You said you will wait until I come back or something. What? Oh my God. He's not gonna eat it? Yeah, he ate it. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please let me know the release date. I actually don't know it. If you know something about this movie, so please let me know. I think many people is very curious about it. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumb up, If you didn't, give me a thumb down. With that being said, guys, take care, be safe. Until next time, wings out.